Welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame, and to my subscribers, welcome back. Today on my Weber Q, I'm cooking a dessert that never fails to please. It's easy to make and can be cooked while folks are eating their main meal. It can also be cooked in advance because it's just as delicious cold as it is warm. So to make these chocolate brownies, you will need 90 grams of cocoa powder, 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of walnuts chopped, 300 grams of caster sugar, 125 grams of plain flour, 3 eggs, and 100 grams of plain chocolate chopped. To begin, I'm going to chop this bar of dark chocolate. Start by breaking it into squares and then chopping it with a knife to small pieces of roughly 1 centimetre. With the chocolate in small pieces, it's now onto the walnuts. Now, if you can get chopped walnuts, it will save you having to do this. However, I could only get walnut halves at my supermarket. Add the butter and cocoa to a pan. Over a gentle heat, melt the cocoa and butter together. When it's completely melted and combined, remove the pan from the heat and stir in the caster sugar. Continue stirring until it's all dissolved. Now add the eggs, one at a time, stirring until each one is fully incorporated before adding the next egg. That's the final egg. I'll just give it a good stir. Now for the chopped walnuts. Give them a stir, followed by the dark chocolate and a stir. At this point, I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, the flour goes in, and I'll keep folding until it's all incorporated. Into a Weber drip tray lined with greaseproof paper goes this lovely dark glossy mixture. Smooth it out a little and that's ready for the barbecue. I can tell you that's gonna taste delicious. I've got the barbecue set up for baking with a medium indirect heat using a foil heat shield and grid. So I'll just let it warm up a little. On goes my brownie. Now it is important to keep the lid closed as much as possible and maintain a steady temperature. After 30 minutes, I'm testing it with a skewer. It doesn't come out clean, so it's not cooked. It needs a few minutes more. A second test, and it's looking quite different. The skewer is clean, so this brownie is cooked. Once cooled, it's time to slice it up. Just look at that.
So to plate up, a sprinkle of chocolate on the plate, a slice of brownie, whoops, can't have that, and there it is, my chocolate brownie, served with a few blueberries and a quenelle of whipped cream.
I can tell you now, it is simply delicious.
Once these brownies are on the plate, they soon disappear.
Now you won't want to miss my next barbecue cookout, so please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Well, that's all for this time, so until the next time, it's goodbye and thanks for watching.